Phone's going crazy.
I know, my phone's blowing up.
Oh, I didn't realize all the weeds I'm in.
Yeah, it's pretty weedy right here. Cool. Let's move over there. Hey guys and gals, Merry Christmas. It's Christmas morning 2015. Believe it or not, we're out in the kayaks. The air temperature is almost, probably 50 right now, but yesterday it got up to 67 in New England and Central Mass, and today it's supposed to be in the mid-60s, and we're like, you know what? We got family and friends to go visit a little later on, but we're like, let's do this. Why not? Right, Shell?
Right. Merry Christmas.
All right. So yeah, we're out here in the local. There's a pond fairly close to our house. Couldn't get on the river today. It was closed off, the boat ramp, for the winter. But yeah, we're out here wetting some lines, getting the paddles wet, and enjoying this beautiful weather. It's strange weather, but beautiful. All right.
Let's do this.
Yeah, let's do this. All right. So yeah, we'll see you soon with some upcoming videos, and we're in the little cheap kayaks, and yeah, hope everybody's doing well. Most of all, peace.